if you have one of these, it'll make this whole process go a whole lot easier and smoother and quicker. And let's see. So you're going to need your aquafaba, which is your bean juice. And I think this works with any type of bean juice, not just chickpeas or garbanzo beans, the water from the can. This is the garbanzo bean juice, so we're going to try that. I keep calling it chickpeas. I'm not sure what the difference may be, but listen, you do need a stand mixer because you have to whip this thing or let this thing beat for a while. And so I have my stand mixer out, and we're going to go ahead and see what it will do. Another thing you're going to need, cream of tartar. Cream of tartar. 1/4 of a teaspoon. So we're going to put that in here. So I want to try to get as much of that out. We're going to go ahead and put this down and start it very slowly at first. And you want to let this go until you start to see it whip up. It takes some time, but you'll see it. You'll see it with me. It's going to froth up. I'm going to put the timer on the stove so we have an idea. We'll see. So I'm going to get it up too high. And I'm just letting you guys watch it with me, right? I'm going to adjust the camera just so that I can bring you on the inside. I think I'll continue to hold it here. Right now, I'm not even at the max on the side of the speed. So let's see what happens. We're gonna bring it up. I'm still not at the max speed that this thing can go. And it's frothing up right nicely, right? Now we're at the max speed that this thing can go. Now, if you're using this like whipped cream, you're gonna make sure to put some vanilla extract for flavoring, right? And another thing you're gonna need is some powdered sugar. My cream of tartar ready. Now I don't know about you, but I can see that trace. Almost reminds me of meringue. Go ahead and put some of this cream of tartar in here. That's the last of what I had. Let it whip it up. Now you saw what we started off with. And we don't want to whip this longer than 5 minutes. So we've been going right now for 3 minutes. We're only going to whip it for 2 more minutes. For 2 more minutes. So this is bean water, and you can see what we started with is not what we have right now. These peaks are so soft looking. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. I'm not gonna eat this or anything. I'm sorry to tell you that, but I'm gonna waste this batch because I don't have anything prepared for it. But I did want to show you this awesome little extra footage. The consistency, it's kind of like, let me bring you closer so you can see. Like you can see for yourself, it's holding its peak. Add your vanilla extract. Here's the vanilla extract. The mason jars. It's huge, but guess what? It works. So my vanilla extract is in there. What I'll do is I'll go ahead and drop this, lock this, and I'll put this on stir. Let that go. And I didn't sift this at all, so I'm going to slowly add that powdered sugar. And try to get it all in there. And now I'm going to crank it up. I want to see if it maintains its peaks, right? And then we're going to get the little one to taste it and let us know. I am just as enlightened and surprised by this as you are. I added just a tad bit more vanilla extract. Okay. I believe that's good. Take it up just for about 15 seconds. It smells good. Take it down. No more does it have that smell like the aquafaba smell. It doesn't have it. And it smells like vanilla. And question is, did those peaks stand up? It's still the same consistency, people. Let me show you. So we still have the same beautifulness. And it still has that kind of thick cream type consistency that you expect cream to have, kind of like this how can I relate it? What can I relate it to? But You can see how well this stuff holds its peaks. Now this is the main thing. What about the taste? I'm gonna taste it. Oh my goodness, it tastes delicious.
It tastes.
It's very airy, very
It's
light.
light.
I need you to taste. What does it taste like?
Tastes pretty good.